So this morning, we have a few other tricks up our sleeve. We have, let's see where you can see here. Air horn. And then, if she pops up like I'm expecting, spray bottle. Yeah. That should get her up. We're gonna see what happens with this. So last night she was prepared for me. I found in her bed 2 spray bottles, some Mr. Bubbles in a spray can to spray me with, 3 eggs, and there was some bubbles, and I've taken it all, like the kind of bubbles you blow out in the yard. Anyway, here we go. Get up, you hoodlum. No, you got a carrot.
Stop!
Get up. What do you have over there? No. Get up.
Stop!
Get up. You goon.
Stop it.
Where's your feet at?
Stop, you got my hair wet.
Oh, I got my hair wet. Well, you make everyone late because you won't get out of bed.
Stop it. Stop. Stop.
Now get out of the bed, young lady. You look like the exorcist girl. Now get up. Don't go back to sleep.